Have you ever wondered why some guys seem to effortlessly attract people, while others struggle to get a second glance? The secret lies in understanding the intricate dynamics of attractiveness. Buckle up, gentlemen, because we're about to embark on a journey that will unlock the mysteries of what truly makes someone magnetic. Imagine walking into a room and instantly commanding attention. Heads turn, eyes linger, and an unmistakable air of desire fills the space. It's a power that transcends physical appearance, a magnetism that draws people in like moths to a flame. You, too, can possess this allure. The key is understanding the multifaceted nature of attractiveness. Looks matter, but they're not everything. Absolutely. While physical appearance is often the first thing we notice about someone, true attractiveness goes beyond looks. It's about how you carry yourself and the qualities you possess that make you stand out. Confidence is a major factor in attractiveness. When you're confident, you exude a certain aura that draws people in. Kindness is another important quality. When you're kind to others, you make them feel good, and that can be incredibly attractive. Authenticity is also key. When you're genuine and true to yourself, people are more likely to be drawn to you. Finally, having a positive attitude can make a big difference. A positive outlook on life is contagious, and people are naturally drawn to those who radiate positivity. So, while looks do matter, they're just one part of the equation. It's your personal qualities and how you make others feel that truly make you attractive. The power of confidence. Confidence is a powerful quality that can greatly enhance your attractiveness. It's not about being boastful or arrogant, but rather having a genuine belief in yourself and your abilities. When you're confident, you project an aura of self-assurance that draws others to you. Building confidence starts with self-acceptance. Embrace your quirks and imperfections, as they make you unique. When you're comfortable with who you are, it shows in your posture, your speech, and your interactions with others. Confidence is appealing because it reflects a strong sense of self-worth, which is attractive to those around you. Confidence can be cultivated through positive self-talk and challenging yourself to step out of your comfort zone. As you face and overcome challenges, your confidence will naturally grow. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect. It's about being authentic and comfortable in your own skin. The art of kindness. Kindness is a highly attractive quality that many people overlook. In a world that can often feel uncaring, someone who is kind stands out like a beacon of warmth. When you treat others with respect, empathy, and thoughtfulness, you create a positive impact that draws people toward you. It's important to note that kindness doesn't always require grand gestures. Small acts of kindness, like offering a smile, giving a compliment, or listening without judgment, can make a big difference. When you make others feel good about themselves, they naturally want to spend more time with you. Being kind doesn't just benefit others, it also boosts your own happiness and well-being. So, practice kindness whenever you can, and watch as it enhances your relationships and attracts others to you. Authenticity, the ultimate aphrodisiac. Authenticity is like a superpower when it comes to attraction. You've probably met someone who, on paper, seemed perfect, but there was just something missing. That missing piece is often authenticity. Being authentic means being true to yourself, flaws and all. It's about being real and not pretending to be someone you're not. When you're authentic, you emit a special kind of energy that draws others to you. Authenticity is attractive because it shows that you're comfortable in your own skin. You're not trying to impress anyone or hide behind a mask. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuine and unafraid to be themselves. So, if you want to be more attractive, focus on being authentic. Embrace who you are, quirks and all, and let your true self shine. You'll be amazed at how much more attractive you become when you're authentically you. The power of positivity. Positivity is a powerful force in attracting others to you. Think of negativity as a repellent that pushes people away, while positivity acts like a magnet, drawing them in. When you have a positive attitude, You exude a warmth and optimism that people find irresistible. A positive person is someone who can see the silver lining in any situation and finds humor even in difficult times. They have a contagious laughter and joy that uplifts those around them. So, if you want to be more attractive, cultivate a positive outlook on life. Focus on the good things, laugh often, and spread positivity wherever you go. You'll find that people are naturally drawn to your uplifting energy. The secret ingredient: making others feel good. Attractiveness isn't just about looks or words. It's about how you make others feel. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good. When you're fully engaged in a conversation, listening attentively and making eye contact, you show the other person that you value them. Offering genuine compliments and showing real interest in others creates a deep emotional connection. Being kind and compassionate and showing empathy towards others creates a positive energy that people are naturally drawn to. It's about being genuinely interested in others and making them feel important. When you focus on making others feel good, you radiate a warmth and positivity that is incredibly attractive. The art of relatability. Being relatable is about more than just sharing stories. It's about creating a genuine connection with others. When you open up about your experiences, whether they're struggles or triumphs, you invite others to do the same. This vulnerability can lead to deeper, more meaningful relationships. However, it's important to strike a balance. While sharing your experiences can create a sense of closeness, oversharing can make others feel uncomfortable. It's about being discerning with what you share and when. Being relatable also involves empathy and emotional intelligence. It's about understanding the emotions of others and being able to respond appropriately. This means being a good listener, showing empathy, and offering support when needed. Ultimately, being relatable is about being authentic. People are drawn to those who are genuine and true to themselves. When you're authentic, you give others permission to do the same, creating a space where true connections can flourish. Health and fitness, the foundation of attractiveness. At its core, attractiveness is a signal of good health and vitality. From an evolutionary perspective, we're hardwired to find physically fit and healthy individuals appealing, as it indicates strong genes and the ability to thrive. Investing in your physical and mental well-being isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good too. When you prioritize exercise, proper nutrition, and self-care, you radiate an energy and vibrancy that others can't help but be drawn to. The power of attitude and behavior. Absolutely. Your attitude and behavior are key factors in how others perceive you. A positive, respectful, and considerate attitude can make you incredibly attractive, even if you don't fit conventional beauty standards. On the flip side, a negative or disrespectful attitude can be a major turnoff, no matter how physically attractive you are. People are naturally drawn to those who approach life with grace, humility, and a willingness to learn and grow. These qualities make you more relatable and likable. They show that you're open-minded and empathetic, which are traits that people value in relationships. So, if you want to be more attractive, focus on cultivating a positive attitude and treating others with respect and kindness. It's not just about how you look. It's about how you make others feel. When you approach life with a positive mindset, you'll not only feel better about yourself, but you'll also attract more positive people and experiences into your life. Attractiveness is a complex tapestry woven from many threads: physical appearance, confidence, kindness, authenticity, positivity, relatability, health, and attitude. It's a delicate balance that requires self-awareness, self-improvement, and a genuine desire to connect with others on a deeper level. By embracing these principles and cultivating a magnetic energy, you can transform yourself into an irresistible force that commands attention and admiration wherever you go. Remember, true attractiveness isn't just about superficial traits. It's about the energy you exude, the way you make others feel, and the authentic connection you create with the world around you. So, gentlemen, are you ready to unlock your full potential and become the most attractive version of yourself? Embrace these lessons, embody them in your daily life, and watch as the world around you shifts. You have the power to be irresistible. It's just a matter of harnessing it.